Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify language proficiency with FluentU beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with verifying your language proficiency using FluentU, first, create a FluentU account. Visit the FluentU website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details or use a social media account to register. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Languages section to select the language you want to assess. Choose the level that best describes your current proficiency. FluentU offers a range of levels, from beginner to advanced. Now, access the available language content. FluentU provides engaging videos, music, and audio for immersive learning. Select a video that interests you to start testing your understanding. Watch the video attentively, focusing on context and vocabulary. After watching, take note of any words or phrases you found challenging. Next, use FluentU's interactive captions to explore those words. Click on any word in the transcript for definitions and usage examples. To evaluate your understanding, complete the quizzes related to the video. These quizzes will assess both vocabulary and comprehension skills. Once you finish the quizzes, review your progress and scores. Analyze which areas need improvement based on your quiz performance. Return to the main dashboard to regularly practice with new content. Set a study schedule to maintain consistent practice with FluentU. As you progress, retake quizzes to track your improvements. Utilize FluentU's diverse resources to enhance all aspects of language learning. With dedication and regular practice, you will see your proficiency grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.